You thought your job was safe, but AI is replacing you. For $20 a month, what is really going on in tech? Stop listening to vague influencers.
Generate AWS infrastructure in seconds. No more writing code by hand. AI optimizes deployments effortlessly. DevOps is evolving fast. This is the future. Welcome to the future of coding. Pulumi AI generates infrastructure in seconds. Is manual configuration code? DevOps is evolving fast. Stay ahead with these cutting-edge tools. Specialization is required in Kubernetes. Master these 3 areas or get left behind. Platform engineering mein jao right now. Don't compete with AI, command it. Areas or get left behind. Where AI fails, complex cluster architectures. Don't compete with AI, command it. This is the highest paying tech track right now. Meet your new AI co-workers. LLMs can't touch. The absolute baseline tech stack you need today. Meet your new AI co-workers. AI security is greater than standard automation.
Understanding the architecture. Companies are still hiring talent.
From builder to orchestrator.
Are you ready?